Hello my creator, today we are going to make paper bow. Let's start the video. Take any square paper. I take 15 by 15 centimeter square paper. Now start folding from here. You can use any kind of tools like this. Now you can fold your paper something like this. Now from the top side where the paper closes, you have to fold it like this. Now open your paper and you will get the one square in a center. Now you have to hold that square line and hold your paper something like this. Now with the holding of the paper, you have to fold your paper also. Like this, you have to fold your paper. Now again make a proper crease. Now from the top we are going to fold it like this. At the back side also. Make a proper crease. Now you have to open your paper properly. So you will get the center square like this. See. Now turn your paper like this. Now we are going to cut this. I am using the cutter here. If you want to use the cutter, you can use the cutter, but you can cut it from the scissor also. Cut this all four sides. Now once you complete your cutting work, you have to fold it one side like this. Now we are going to fold these triangles like this. Similarly, second side. Now we are going to start folding from here, but before that we are going to cut the center line. This one. You have to cut till the square. Now we are going to fold this one like this. If you want to stick this one, you can apply the Fevicol and stick this one also. I am not sticking right now. Now turn your paper. Now this little bit you have to roll it and insert in the center square. Similarly at the second side. At the last, now at the bottom, if you want to cut it, you can cut it, otherwise you can leave it like this also. I am cutting the triangle here. So now here your final bow is ready. Now you can decorate on the box also. I have one box, so I am keeping on that and showing you. I hope you like this activity. Thank you.